Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction. In this tutorial we will learn how to subtract numbers 11 to 20 from numbers 11 to 20. And we're going to do this using the dot method. So let's have a look at our first example. What is 18 minus 14? 18 minus 14. Now there's more than one way to do this when we're doing the dot method. Let's follow the same method we have used so far, and then we'll look at a different method. Okay, so first of all, look at the number on the left. It is 18. So let's draw 18 dots above number 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18 dots above number 18. Have a look at the sign. It is minus. So we're going to cross out some of the dots. How many are we going to cross out? Well, it tells us in the question. We're going to cross out 14. So let's count through 14. 1, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have crossed out the 14 dots. The number of dots that are left is the answer. So let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. (18 minus 14 equals 4). Now there is a shortcut method to this, just for this example. If we've got 18 minus 14, let's write that down again. We'll do this in a different color. 18 minus 14. Now we're not doing any maths tricks here. We're still going to use the dot method. Now we know from this number that if we look at the units, we've got 8. 8 is more than 4. Okay, 8 is more than 4. So if we look at the tens, we've got 1 here and 1 here. Okay, those ones can cancel each other out. Okay, they can cancel each other out. So therefore, what we can do is to cross them out. So we're crossing out the 1 here and the 1 here. What are we left with? We're left with 8 minus 4. So let's draw the dots above the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the 8 dots that we have over here. How many dots are we going to cross out now? It's 4. So let's cross out 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've crossed out 4 dots. How many dots are left? Well, count with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots left. So 18 minus 14 is 4. Now do you notice that these two are exactly the same? So we found a slightly shortcut method. It doesn't always work, but it does work quite a lot of the time. Okay, we're going to look at our second example now. This time we're going to use the shortcut method. Let's scroll down a little bit to give us a bit more room. This time the question is, what is 19 minus 17? And don't forget, we're going to do this using the dot method. So 19 minus 17. Now what do you notice about these numbers? Well, we've got a 10 over here, and we've got a 10 over here. So we can cancel these out. What I mean by cancel is cross them out. So 19 minus 17 has now become 9 minus 7. So let's draw 9 dots above number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the 9 dots that represent number 9. How many dots are we going to cross out? We're going to cross out 7 dots. So let's do that now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've crossed out the 7 dots. How many dots are left? 1, 2. 2 is the answer. 19 minus 17, which is the same as 9 minus 7, equals 2. So that is how we do subtraction using the dot method. And this works for numbers, I would say, up to 20. I think beyond that it becomes more difficult because you don't want to draw 76 dots. But up to 20 it's very good practice until you develop the mental arithmetic skills, and then you can move on to higher numbers.